Hello, my dear friends. Hope all are fine. Great. Thanks. Once again, this is your friend Rajendra Arya. Is here to hear something from you and something to be shared. As this session is going on, for sharing is growing. Of course, it's a wonderful thought. While we share something, virtually we grow gradually. And growth is the ultimate purpose of life. Success. We can't fulfill any destiny with the basis of only theory. Yes. Dream. We have heard a lot, we have dreamt a lot, and we know quite a lot about dreams. Everybody says, everybody knows, dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. Yes, dreaming is good, theory is good, but onto the basis of only dreaming and theory, we cannot achieve desired success. My dears, equally needed is faith. Equally needed work. Means with thought, with dream, we need to do the works also. We all are made for action. We all are here in our karma bhumi for work, for action. And for that, we need to take sometimes the risk, the calculated risk. Only sitting and thinking and not doing the work cannot put us onto the desired goal. The more enterprising we are, the easier we become. Remember, nothing can come out of nothing. Thinking success without hard work, it is just like expecting some Aladdin's lamp. It would be in our hand, we will be rubbing it off, and one jinn would be coming and asking for your dreams. No. It looks good, but in the fairy tales only. If we are not putting our action, if we are not doing the work, only dreaming, thinking about doing the work, one thing will surround us, that is laziness. We shall be marked as the lazy person. And you know very well, the laziness soon is overtaken by poverty. The slow coach, a lazy person, is the person who is unwanted in the society. A lazy person is that person who has to do the works twice. Even then, the desired results are not there. Laziness, that's a biggest weakness, and it actually is self-invited. When we are not putting the seeds into the soil and not taking care of that and thinking about a rich, good harvest, it will be just like futile. My dears, we all are not given directly the apple juices. We are given the seeds of the apple. There are two types of people in the world. Those who do the work and those who talk about doing the work belong to the first category. There will be a very less competition over there. My dears, faith combined with action, faith combined with action, expect the masterpiece. Expect the miracle. Expect the desired success. Have an action-packed weekend ahead. Thanks a lot, my dear lovely friends.